Hi everyone, my name is Alisha Ahmed. I'm Pakistan's first Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt and I've been training for over 15 years now. I run a combat sports academy in Karachi. हम कॉन्फिडेंस के बारे में बात करते हैं जैसे ये चीज़ है जो हमारे पास होती है या नहीं. But the truth is that confidence is not something you're born with. It's something that you build over time through action and repetition. एक और चीज़ जिससे लोग बहुत डरते हैं वो है खौफ. लेकिन फियर एक बहुत पावरफुल टूल भी है. Before we go into a jiu-jitsu match or any trial in our life, we can be afraid of the outcome. In jiu-jitsu at least, we learn that when we win a match, we can pat ourselves on the shoulder and feel good about the result. But when we lose, we learn so much more. We obsess over every detail and then we are able to work on those things and improve ourselves going forward. Confidence मुकाबले से नहीं, लेकिन बार-बार कोशिश करने से बढ़ती है. Set realistic expectations. Recognize mistakes. Acknowledge wins and reward yourself for positive action so that you can create a positive feedback loop. It doesn't have to be big. Wake up, make your bed, go for a walk, breathe slowly, show up for yourself. These are the reps of building self-esteem. Our self-esteem is built by our inner voices, what we say to ourselves when no one is watching. There are two types of people in this world. One with an internal locus of control and the other with an external locus of control. Individuals with an internal locus of control believe that they can affect their actions and usually have higher self-esteem. They usually rely less on external factors such as what their peers think. Take responsibility for your actions, what you like, what you don't like. Discover who you are. This awareness will help you build an internal locus of control. We've been sold the idea that self-acceptance will come once we have a six-pack or that perfect job. Self-acceptance begins when you stop judging yourself for not being there already. Comparison आपके self-confidence को kill कर देती है. जब हम अपने आप पे रहम करते हैं, फिर हम अपने confidence को rebuild कर सकते हैं. Self-esteem comes from those inner voices about what you believe about yourself. Let's rewrite those beliefs by challenging ourselves and taking action. जब हम अपने आप को किसी नई चीज़ में डालते हैं, तो हम अपनी growth और change देख पाते हैं. फिर हमें नज़र आता है कि हम कितने काबिल हैं. Social media shows the best parts of people's lives, whether that be work, relationships or lifestyle. This comparison can impact people's lives when reality is far from what's shown on screen. You don't need to believe in yourself to begin. You just need to begin. Confidence isn't loud, it's quiet. It moves with integrity.